are pleased to show you 2021 Audi Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 400 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, heated front seats, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, panic alarm, power moonroof, overhead console, tachometer, leather seats, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.